Exercise 7, painted edges. Right, Control J, close. What we're going to do now is we're going to select this image. Right, we've gone Control A to select the whole image. We're going to press delete to delete it, and we're going to fill it in with black. Foreground color is Alt backspace Control D to get rid of the marching ants. What we're going to do now is take our history brush. Right, our history brush, we have two, the art history and the history brush. Select the history brush. I've got quite a nice broad brush already, and now we're going to brush over, and the computer's memory, because it's the history brush, it'll remember what there was in paint, what was there before back. So we can click and drag, and you see by just doing little fancy clicks along the edges, we get a bit of a pattern forming, a little brush drag, which is quite effective, because every year when we go through we tend to take everything away. So I want a nice sort of fancy edge. I click and drag, take it away, take it, okay. That looks quite stunning, I think. And then we go to our text tool. When we click on our text tool, we will notice that it automatically forms a new layer, a text layer. And that'll form on top. Here is our text color. So because it's sunset, I'm going to use a yellow, and we're going to click and start typing. I'm just going to put in sunset, and what we can do is we can go to control. If we hold down the control key, we can just click and drag our word by pulling on the handlebars. Let's get to our little pick tool there, and there we go. And that's that. And you see, it's picked up the name from our typing, and our text layer has been placed on top. Close, open. And that's how we use the history brush. Very effective, very simple, and often when you make a little mistake somewhere, you erase something, you can go back, fetch your history brush, and just paint it back in. Thank you for watching.